you in Macau. It's been a while. I want to see you. You make me smile. Hello, Macau. Oh, how have you been? I really want to see you. Oh, my, Macau. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you again. Oh, my, Macau. I'm looking at you, Macau, wanting to see more of you. Oh, what am I to do? I'm looking at you again. Oh, my, Macau. That's my, Macau.
Okay, so we're on St. Joe's Street. St. John Street. So we're on St. John's, and I'm kind of capture and focus on this particular building because it's new. They've been doing a lot of cool stuff here. I just want to kind of capture it, maybe go around a little bit, and also stay on this St. John Street, just to kind of keep. But we're going to see what this whole building looks like by going around it. And we're in this St. Joe's Street. St. John, sorry. St. John. Jeez. Okay, we got a Macau one for you. Let's put this up on the map so you can see exactly where we are. And actually, this one I'm going to be filming other times too in the future because it's changing. It's a street that's changing. By the way, if you look at my past time I was here, in the thumbnails I usually have the last time I was in that street. You can do that with any of my videos because I filmed most of the streets multiple times already now. So you can actually see what this looked like in the past. You can actually, you know, keep doing that a few times if you want, because I know I've filmed St. John at least 4 or 5 times, and Mercadores at least a couple times. Anyways, I'm going to be filming both of these streets because I'm going to be going around this new building. It's supposed to be kind of a food court and a mall, and who knows what. Nobody really knows 100%. Somebody does, but I don't fully know 100%. But I will, and I'll film that as well when I do. But this is just where it's at the moment, in this moment in time. How cool is that? Recorded for all history. Okay, let's do the walk and talk where I'm going to walk down this little space of Taipa Village, St. John and Mercadores Lane. Okay, so we're on St. John. We are going to go into that one. We'll just kind of show you the other stuff. There's Park Coffee. A lot of these keep changing, so other little alleys like this. This is all this Taipa Village, and it's becoming more and more popular all the time. But I want to just focus all on St. John before we go down. Here's a bar, Japanese, and then Argentinian steakhouse, and then this one is called Harley's, which is a bar open at nighttime. Over there's tacos. There's a Thai restaurant over there. It's a little bit early at the moment. There's some nice artwork right down there too. And now you can see the Argentinian one and the Japanese one, and then the bar. There's Petisqueira. It's like a Portuguese one, very popular. Okay. So what we're gonna do is check out this little pink building, which is brand new, and it's gonna really revolutionize this whole street. And I think I'm gonna go around like this, and then we're gonna come back like that. And it looks like they're still painting it as well. So that one side we could see it was pink, pastel pink, and then I guess the rest, we'll see what this all looks like. And there's also 2 other things around here too. It's got all the bamboo scaffolding. There's another one right here too.
The dog day today.
Good. We also have Macau down here too. So they're actually kind of revolutionizing the street as well. And it is, you see, nice music. The owner here is a really cool guy, Cristiano. I don't know if he's there or not. Yeah, I don't see him. But this is all in the Taipa village. And then yeah, I got this one, and then actually this whole area has a few bars over here, so we'll kind of show all these a little bit. Mercadores. So we're gonna go around the corner, keep on going. I got my camera, so. Lotus, another bar, so there's like a handful of bars in here. Okay, so there's Lotus, and there's also Macau, OTT, and a few other bars in this area. And we're gonna come back around in this. Let's see. I guess we'll keep going. We'll go all the way around. Now we're gonna go all the way down this way. So yeah, we kind of came around like this, and then we're gonna go around like that. So yeah, that's St. Joe's, and it's, yeah, it's changing. We also captured Travessa, which I might try to film a little bit more. But this is going to be the base of our St. John Street over here. And there's another bar too called OTT. So you have a handful of them, and then now we're back on St. John's. Right there. And then yeah, you can kind of see there's a lot of different stuff. Let's just kind of walk over here real quick. So that's a taste of St. John's. So I guess we have to complete the whole circle, so we're going to walk down a little bit further. Yeah, there's St. John's right there. It looks like they're building deep into here too. So anyways, it's going to keep on changing, and it's going to keep on having a different feeling to it. And now you can see the backside of this, of all that pink building right there. Okay. And this actually has some Mexican food among other stuff too. Coffee shop, tacos. Okay. And then that's Mercadores again. I might actually mention both streets because they're kind of connected. So that's Mercadores. Travessa dos Mercadores and St. John. This is the market lane. And let's just kind of step back a little bit. Try to capture it from this angle. So yeah, this will all be completely different in the future. I guess I didn't film, I gotta come back and film this one because but this is all going to be different too. So this is on Mercadores Street, and then later will all be different as well. So now we're back over here again. So yeah, you can see that's where part of it was at, and then yeah, that's the other part down that way. I'll end the video.
Oh my, Macau. Oh my, Macau. It's good to see you now, and I know I'll see you